Hello guys, get ready because in this video I am going to show you how to fix Narzo 80x keeps crashing. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I am showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, close all the background apps. After close all the background apps, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it, and on top you can see the option software update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and in last you can see the option erase all data. Now click on it, and here enter your password to erase all your data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After doing these steps, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.